Good morning, all the students. I'm Shivam Saxena, your social science teacher. Today we will start a new chapter. This chapter has been taken from book History, and it is the first chapter of the history book. The name of this chapter is Rise of Nationalism in Europe. Under this chapter, we will discuss about the main logic, that is, what is nationalism and how the nationalism spread in a different countries of the Europe. As we have already discussed about the chapter that is nationalism in India, under this chapter we have discussed about a lot of movements that has taken places for making a nationalism in India. So the same things, that which kinds of the movements and the revolutions has taken places in the world or other countries of the world of the Europe to make it nationalist. So before start this chapter, we should make a difference between imperialism and nationalism. What does the means of the differentiation between both? So the one thing you keep in your mind, suppose that if any of the country is focusing on embedding on the nearby small countries and just capturing the territory of the country and mix their territories into its own territories, that is called the imperialism. And if a country or a number of countries are connecting together and making a one united country or united nation, that is the feeling of nationalism. This chapter has started with a picture, and that particular picture has been made by Frederic Soyo in 1848. A French artisan prepared a series of the four printing visualizing his dreams of the world map of a democratic and socialistic reform, he called that. The first picture, figure number 1 of the series, shows that the people of European and America, men and women, all ages and the social classes, marching in a long trains and offering the homages to the Statue of the Liberty एज दे पास बाय इट. देखिए यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स जो दी है उसमें ये फर्स्ट पिक्चर है. इट वॉज बीइंग मेड बाय अ फेडरिक सोयो. ही वॉज वेरी फेमस आर्टिशंस फ्रॉम फ्रांस, एंड दिस पिक्चर वॉज मेड बाय इन 1848. And under this picture, a men's and women's has been shown, and they carry their national flags, and there is a Statue of Liberty, and by just taking or carrying the national flags, they passing away and by offering homages to the Statue of Liberty. See, as you would recall the artisans of the times of the French revolutions, the personification liberties with the figure. Here you recognize that the touching of enlightenments in the she wears in one hand and the charter of the rights in the man's in the other's hand. See the two things over there. In the French Revolution, we have discussed about the story of Merini, and Germany Revolution we will discuss about the story of Germania. As one of the specific idea has been nationalized with a female figure only. In the Nationalism in India chapter, we have also discussed about the figure picture, that is Bharat Mata. And the particular pictures have a different type of the gestures which shows some kinds of the ideology. As in this picture, the Statue of Liberty, in a one hand it have a torch of wearing, and another hand it has a torch, a charter. Charter means a book of rules, and another means it just simply enlightening the peoples in the way. ठीक है. On the earth of the four against the image lies to the shatters of the remain of the symbol of absolute institutions. देखिए अब अगर हम इसको जनरली देखते हैं, सो यू सिंपली टेक अ लुक ओवर देयर. इस पिक्चर्स को जस्ट देखिए कि यहाँ पर इस पिक्चर में जो टॉपेस्ट पोजीशन है, ये जो है स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी की जो फिगर है, उनके वन हाथ में टॉर्च ऑफ वो है वेयर इनलाइटमेंट, और सेकेंड हाथ में चार्टर है. और जो बॉटम एरियाज़ में है, जब आप वॉच करेंगे लाइक दिस, ये मोनार्चिकल रिमेन्स है. ये पिक्चर एग्जैक्टली क्या सिंक्रोनाइज कर रही है, बता रही है. देखिए ये जो बॉटम है, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द रिमेन्स ऑफ द थिंग्स. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दिस पिक्चर इज शोइंग? दिस पिक्चर इज बेसिकली showing that the country which are backwards or back on this line, they are not independent or they are not nation state. The country which is passing away from this Statue of Liberty become independence or become a nation state. यानी ऐसी countries जो इस स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी को होमेज करके पास हो गई हैं, वो अब नेशनल स्टेट बन चुकी हैं, और उनमें जो मोनार्चिकल इंस्टीट्यूशनल थे वो पूरी तरीक़ों से ख़त्म हो चुके हैं, और उनके जो ख़त्म हुए रिमेन्स हैं वो बॉटम में यहाँ पर स्प्रेड है. और उनको ख़त्म होने में जो रेवोल्यूशन हुआ था, उन रेवोल्यूशंस में जिनकी मृत्यु हुई है, जिनकी डेथ हुई है, उनकी सोल को फ्रेटर्निटी प्रोवाइड या शांति प्रोवाइड करने का काम जो है वो जीसस क्राइस्ट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. सी दैट The people of the world says group distinct nations and identify through their flags and national costume. जो लोग हैं वो नेशनल कॉस्ट्यूम और फ्लैग्स के थ्रू आइडेंटिफाई किए जा सकते हैं. Leading the processions was the past Statue of Liberty are the United States and Switzerland. यानी processions को आगे बढ़ते हुए जो recently पास हुए हैं वो यूनाइटेड स्टेट और स्विट्ज़रलैंड है. यूनाइटेड स्टेट और स्विट्ज़रलैंड जो है वो रिसेंटली इसको पास करके आगे निकल गए हैं स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी को. विच वॉज द टाइम वॉज ऑलरेडी अ नेशन स्टेट फ्रांस. ठीक है, फ्रांस आइडेंटिफाइड बाय द रेवोल्यूशनरी ट्राई कलर्स हैज़ जस्ट रीच टू द स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी. ठीक है, यानी तीसरे नंबर पे जो दिया है वो फ्रांस है जो कि ट्राई कलर के फ्लॉग को होल्ड किया हुआ है और वो स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी को क्रॉस करने जा रहा है जस्ट नियर टू. ठीक है, शी इज़ फॉलोइंग्स बाय द जर्मनी. और फ्रांस के बाद जर्मनी है जिसका ब्लैक रेड और गोल्ड कलर का फ्लैग है. Interestingly, at the time of when the Sorio created these images, the German did not yet exist in a United States. The flags they carry is expression of the liberation hope of 1948, unification of the numerous Germany-speaking principles into the nation state under the democratic constitution. देखिए, at this time when this picture was being designed by the Sorio, Frederick, Germany was not a nation state, but he just imagining that in the revolution which was taken places in Germany to make the Germany as a nation state and a one constitution, which was held at 1848, might be the reasons to unify the Germany. So that, therefore the picture and the identification of the Germany has been shown just after the France. ठीक है, यानी इसलिए अब फ्रांस के जस्ट बाद जो है वो उसका आइडेंटिफिकेशन दिया गया है. Following the Germany peoples are people from Austria, the kingdoms from two Sicilies, Lombardies, Poland, England, Ireland, Hungary, Russia. From the heavens the above the Jesus Christ sends angels grace upon the scenes. ठीक है, heavens में Jesus Christ वगैरह नज़र आ रहे हैं. And they have been used to artisans to symbolize the fraternity among the nations of that. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो है वो हमने जनरली इसमें डिस्कस किया. सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग कि ये पिक्चर से इसकी शुरुआत होती है. एंड देन आफ्टर वी विल मूव फॉर द फर्स्ट रेवोल्यूशन दैट वॉज फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन. ठीक है, so in the next video we'll discuss about the story of French Revolution. Thank you.